Today's lecture is related with 2020 term and examination question paper at CHE time spectroscopy. Let's try to solve these questions. This is question number 2, C. The transition from J0 to J1 for HCl takes place. The energy difference 21.18 cm inverse. Calculate the bond length of HCl if the reduced mass mu of the molecule is 1.627 × 10⁻27 kg. Let's try to solve these questions. Friends, we know this question is related with microwave spectroscopy or rotational spectroscopy. In our previous lecture, we know for rotational spectroscopy the energy formula in terms of wave number, that is Bj whole into J plus 1, where J is the rotational quantum number. This J value start from 0, 1, 2 and so on. In case B is the rotational constant. The value h by 8 pi square IC. In this lecture, we did not discuss the derivation of this equation. If you want to know the derivation of this equation, you check my previous lecture. Friends, according to these questions, the transition of electron from J0 to J1 for J is equal to 0, the equation of energy E is equal to Bj whole into J plus 1. We put 0 in this J plus, that is we get the answer. For J is equal to 1, we put this equation Bj whole into J plus 1, we put J value 1, we put 1 in this J plus, that is to B. But in these questions, according to these questions, transition of electron from J0 to J1, we know this is the ground state, this is the higher state. The energy difference between two states, that is minus V1 minus V0. This is higher state, this is ground state or low state. We difference this, we get the energy difference, that is del V. We difference this to this. We put for V1 0 2B minus 0, that is 2B. Already get the energy difference between two energy states, that is del V is equal to V so we calculate this B is equal to, friends, according to this question, this B value is already given, that is the energy difference between two energy states, that is 21.18 cm inverse. We put in this place, we put this B value in this place, we get divided by 2, we get if you convert this value to meter inverse, we simply multiply with 10 to the power 2 meter inverse, because 1 meter is equal to centimeter. Friends, we know the value of B is by 8 pi square IC. So find I BC. We just take this B to this place. Friends, where H is the Planck constant, B the rotational constant, friends, we already calculate the value of B is equal to 5 9 10 to the power 2 meter inverse, and we know the Planck constant, that is 6.626. This is the H value, and the speed of light 2.998 in 10 to the power meter per second inverse. We put all this value in this place, we get for H we put this value, that is 6.626 in 10 to the power minus 34 is pi is equal to 3.14. Friends, we put all this value in this equation. For H we put 6.626 in 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, all divided by H. For pi we put 3.14. See, we put this value, that is 2.998 in 10 to the power 8 meter second inverse. Calculate all this value, you get 0.2646 into 10 to the power 46 kg meter square. Already find the value of I equal 0.2646 into 10 to the power minus 46 meter square. Friends, we know I is equal to mu r square. According to this equation, mu value is already given, that is the reduced mass, where mu is the reduced mass, and r the bond length. This reduced mass value is already given, that is 1.627 10 to the power minus 27 kg. The value of mu 1.627 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. And this moment of inertia, its I value is already calculated, that is 0.2646 in 10 to the power minus 46 kg meter square. We put all this value in this equation, we get kg into r square, where r square is equal to I by 1.627 in 10 to the power minus 27 kg. We put this I value, that is 0.2646 in 10 to the power minus 46 kg meter square, all divided by 1.627 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Where R value is 0.2646 in 10 to the power minus 46 kg, all divided by 1.627 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, whole root over. We calculate all this value to get the resultant answer, that is 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Friends, this value is converted into picometers, that is the R value is 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, that is 127.5 into 10 to the power 1.275.5 picometers. This is the resultant R value. Friends, this lecture is helpful for you. Please share with your friends and like,